Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 7th. Today's topic is indices. Today we will learn basic concept of base and index. We will solve practice set 26 question number 1. It's part 1. So let's begin. Today we have to start sixth topic and name of the topic is indices. This indices is also called exponent. Now what is this indices? Before that we will see little bit revision of addition. Now what is this revision? Suppose we have total 10 students. How many students? 10 students. And we have to give, you know that during this Christmas or any other festival we distribute sweets to the students. Yes, so like the same way, if suppose we have to distribute 4 chocolates to each student, okay, then how many total number of chocolates it will be? Suppose 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, first student, second student, third, fourth student, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. Total 10 students are there and we have to give 4 chocolates to each student. So if we have to write in addition form, we write like this. But this quantity is very much big. Therefore, instead of adding here, what do? We write it in the multiplication form. Therefore, we write 10 students and 4 chocolates. If you will add, how much answer you will get? 40 chocolates, and 10 into 4, here also you get 40 chocolates. So why we did this multiplication? Because it is convenient. The same way we have to learn, if like this addition, if we have to multiply same numbers again and again and again. Now we will take again a simple number. Suppose I take 2 and I have to multiply 2 times, 3 times, 4 times and 5 times. So I have taken here 2 5 times in the form of multiplication. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times 2 appears here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times here 5 appears in the form of multiplication? 5 times. And which number we have to multiply 5 times? 2 we have to multiply. And how many times? 5 times. So we write in this form. Now if you observe it carefully, 5 I have written small. Size of this number 5 or digit 5 is small, and size of this 2 is normal. How we write the normal digits or number? So this 2 is called base. So 2 is called base, and this small number we have written above this number, it is called, here it is 2, here it is 5. The meaning of this arrangement is we have to multiply 2 how many times? 5 times. Now we will see what answer do we get by multiplying all these numbers. As I said, we have to multiply these numbers. For our convenience, I will underline and I will make a group. 2 to the 4, multiply by 2 to the 4, and here 2 is left, we will write down as it is equal to 4 into 4, 4 4 the 16, multiply by here 2, and finally we get 16 2s are 32. So it is called value. Value means product of all these multiplications. Whatever product we will get, it is called value. And what value we got? 32. Previously you thought that we have to do here addition. Therefore some students told me 10, but 10 is not an answer. But after multiplying step by step, we got here 32. How to read this base and this index, there are some rules how to read it, that I will explain it now. Again, same example we will take here, 2 and here 5. This 5 is called power. This we have to read as a 2 raised to the power 5. 2 raised to the power 5, or 2 raised to 5. How we have to read? 2 raised to the power 5 or 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5. Or we can also read fifth power of 2. This is which power? It is a fifth power. Now tell me, you might have seen in villages mostly one man come along with the monkey on his shoulder. That man is called Madari. What it is called? Madari. And he always have a monkey on his shoulder. Have you seen that? And in his hand one dambru is there, small drum. And he just goes from one village to another village and just have a play along with his monkey. So it is the same way, 2 is a Madari and 5 is monkey on his shoulder. Understand this example, you remember. So Madari is base and monkey is index. Got it? Practice set 26. Question number 1. Complete the table below. We have to draw this table. In that, first one is serial number, second one is indices, third one is base, then index, then multiplication form, and lastly value. Among all these columns, multiplication form we require more space. In other columns, single numbers we have to write. So I'm drawing this table. You can also start drawing this table along with me. Number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is given here 3 raised to 4, 16 raised to 3, negative 13 raised to 4, 3, here 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 81, here negative 8, 2, 3 by 7 into 3 by 7, 3 by 7 into 3 by 7, 2401. This much is given in the table. We will solve practice set 26. Those who are having textbook, open the textbook, page number 44. Practice set 26 is given. Question number 1. Complete the table below. They have solved first example. This column is indices or index form is given. Here we have to write base in this column. In this column index we have to write. As I said, we have left lot of space for this column as we need more space for writing multiplication form. And at last we have to write product of this multiplication. It is called value. I explained you in previous example. Now I will ask someone to read this number. Okay, let me check. Can you tell me what is the base? Okay, 16 we have to write it here. Tell me what is the index of the 16 raised to 3. Yes, 3 is the correct answer. Now tell me multiplication form. 16 into 16 into 16. And lastly, here we cannot say direct answer, we have to calculate the answer. Okay, 16 into 16 into 16, the square of 16 is no, not 48. We are not adding here. 16 plus 16 plus 16 is 48, but we have to multiply. Okay, so square of 16 is 256, multiply by 16. Many are typing correct answer, and answer, if we multiply these numbers, 4096, we get it. So we got here 4096 is multiplication of 16 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 16. And now see, for this third sum, base is given and index is given. Yes, Aditya Kumar, your answer is correct. Here in indices or index form, -8 will come down, and at the top place small 2 you have to write here. Here small 2 and here -8. So second power of -8 or -8 raised to the power 2 or -8 raised to 2. In this way we can read it. Now in multiplication form, -8 into -8, and we know that negative into negative it becomes positive. So if you will write positive, then also it's okay. If you will not write positive number, this positive sign, then also it's okay. 8 8s are 64. Don't add it. 8 plus 8 16. Wrong. You have to multiply and your answer must be 64. And now here fourth one, fractions are given, numerator, denominator. Now see, this 3 by 7, this has appeared 4 times. 3 upon 7 into 3 upon 7 into 3 upon 7 into 3 upon 7. It means 4 times. Therefore, index will be 4, and this number itself, this fraction is itself base. So 3 upon 7, and to write it in index form, okay, 3 upon 7 bracket raised to 4. See here, sometimes if it is blur, so here we have written raised to 4, index is 4, base is 3 upon 7, and last sum -13 to the power 4, base is -13, index is 4. We have to write 4 times -13 in multiplication form, -13 into -13 into -13 into -13. Now again we have to calculate, negative into negative it becomes positive, and negative into negative it becomes positive. At last answer will be positive. 13 into 13 into 13 into 13, square of 13 is 169 into 169, and if you will multiply both the numbers, we get 28,561. So we will write this number here, 28,561. You can check your answer by multiplying these all numbers. Those who have not yet finished, write it down.
That's all for this video. If you are visiting our channel first time, please subscribe to our channel as it's totally free, and press bell icon. Like and share this video. And finally, thanks for watching and supporting. God bless you all.